if you don't have time to exercise and go to the gym, this thing right at home could really help you out. Now, before I even get to this little machine here, let's talk about the resistance bands that they do include in the kit. They've got a nice little bag and all these different resistance bands. Obviously, every single color is a different weight resistance. You got really nice handles, very, very comfortable. All the carabiners, all the attachments to actually clip them on, whether you're using your hands or whether you're using your ankles to attach them. Really, really easy. And if you have no idea what you're doing, it's really nice that they did include a bunch of different exercises. You can follow the little drawings and you're good to go. But let's talk about what we're really here to talk about is this ab roll. I don't even want to call it an ab roller because we all remember what ab rollers look like. Well, welcome to the future because this thing is really, really cool. Now, first off, check this out. You've got 4 wheels and you could probably notice the wheels don't really roll automatically like this one does, but this one kind of has like that resistance. Why? Because when you are using, and this is the position, you're going to see this in the B-roll, this is the position you've got right here. Super comfortable padding for your elbows, for your forearms. When you're getting into that rolling position, that resistance is actually doing a few things, whatever you're choosing it to do. In this case, the frequency. So I just did about 8 or 9 out there. So I'm just going to go just like that. So the frequency. So it's going to count every time I do a move. So I'm at 12. I'm going to go in, and now I'm at 13. Pretty cool. Now, press that again. I can count calories. I can do, obviously, minutes. So the seconds. So I can say, let's say I want to calculate, I want to do this for 10 minutes. Starts the counter right there at 10 minutes, and again goes back to frequency. This thing is rechargeable via USB-C. They do include the little USB-C cable to charge this unit. But of course, even if it's off, the ab roller will still work. This is just a question of kinetic energy, right? Love the little handle. You can take it off, but of course, like you can also adjust it, make it closer or not. There's 2 different notches for that. But I love the comfort that you have. The position, I feel it's a better position than those ab rollers we're used to, where the forearms are really, really hurting. I've never been comfortable with those. And I feel like I'm not really working my abs, I'm more working my forearms. In this case, it is literally way more comfortable, and I know I'm really targeting my abs, my abdominals, and that's a really nice thing. And then the last thing I need to talk to you about is this little holder. This little holder will literally, you can put your phone, if you're watching something on your phone and it follows you. I don't watch movies or TV shows or things like that when I'm working out, but it's a really nice thing to have. And the second thing, or the last thing I need to talk to you about is they do give you this pad. You can use it or you may not want to use it, depending on the position you have. If you start, I would recommend you starting on those knees, so knee position. So rest those knees onto the pad and use the ab roller. Once you get comfortable, once you get a little bit more experience, then you can do full plank. You won't be needing this anymore, but it's always nice to have. Yeah, this whole setup fits in a bag. This literally is so easy to just have it in your closet, under your bed, anywhere at all. Pull it out, turn it on, and away you go. I think this is great.